Eh, naglalakad ako ngayon guys, going to my home. Yan yung mga rap parking lot, mga walang nakatayong building, so free ka na mag parking pagka walang nakatira. Ganyan. So yan siya, oh. Marami pa rin mga dumi kahit marami naglilinis. Hindi na sila everyday. Ganyan drainage dito, gilid. Okay naman, flat naman siya. Ganyan, okay naman siya. Oh, very clean naman the street. You see, very clean. See the cat over there? Ayun sila, oh, they're looking for food. Yan, hello. I hope all the trash can like this with color. Oh, yung hadika, see the hadika garden. Bakit kaya very dark the garden? No? Walang light. What happened there? Wala siyang light, no? Oh, garden yan eh. Garden ng Yusuf Al-Katan. There's no light. Kakatakot. How the family will go there na mamasyal? Wala. Tapos yung mga trees, ayan, oh, lalaki na niya. This should be cut before the rain. See? Ang lalaki na. Kakatakot pumunta sa garden, oh. Very dark. There's no light. I'm nearly home. Ayun. You can see now my building. Dito na ako sa building ko. Daming mga tao lagi sa baba. Ayan. Bago ka umakyat, oh, ganyan, oh. Okay lang naman tong building. Malinis naman to pag may naglilinis. Sometimes the cleaner, they are not coming to clean. See how clean? Yan. That's my door. Ayan, mga shoes dyan. Talagyan. And for emergency na pag dry. Sino pa yung flower ko? Ayan, gawa ko yung pot na yan. I'm the one who make design. See?